What's up, y'all? Down here in the Florida sunshine. You over here at the Tampa Premium Outlets. Okay. So we're gonna go inside. Get some New Balance. That's who we rocking with. There go Lil Sean right. We rocking with New Balance. We ain't rocking with them other dudes. The mother dudes be rocking with you know what I'm saying? All that other stuff that we don't rock with. New Balance factory store. As soon as New Balance start acting crazy, we cut them loose too. Oh, they got the joint on. They got the we don't own the rights to this music. We don't own the rights to this music. I wonder if they got any like specials going on. What's up, y'all? Anybody working here? Sean, you see something you like? I think these might be your size right here. Let me see. Sixes and sevens. We gotta find the guy. Them nice right there. We gotta find the guy. Somebody that work here. Hello? Oh, you work here? Where's the kids section? Sean, you over here on the wall. You over there. Sean. You on the other wall. You see it? Let me see what I want to get y'all. Look at that. I got these right here. So I got them on now. On my feet now. Get another pair. Something else. Last time I was here, they had the special. Let's see if they got some kind of special. Buy one, get one free. No, they're not buy one, get one free. They had like buy one, get one half price. Excuse me. You running like buy one, get one half off?
No. So the only thing, we only have clearance off right now, 30% off.
Okay, it's 30% off?
Yes, sir.
You got kids over here?
Kids are going to be right over here.
You got clearance in the kids too?
Yeah, all that section right over there.
All right. You see anything you like, Sean? Look at them green ones. These green ones is money. What's up, man? You got anything in what you 7? What size are those?
These are 7.
You got anything in 7?
Men's technically start 7.
Okay.
Men's is 6.
So we got to go 7.
Men's clearance starts down that corner. About the middle of the section.
Okay. Are these girls over here? This is girl stuff, right? Okay. Where the boys stuff at?
In the corner.
Oh, in the corner? Okay. What's up, man? Here go your stuff right here, size 8. 8. Where's 7s at? You see any 7s? I don't see no 7. What size are those? 6.5. So there you go. 7.
Oh my.
Check them out. Them look money. You got the new. You like them? Try them on. Sit right there. Pull the whole box out. Pull the whole box out. And try them on. Them look dope, man. I gotta get me a pair, man.
But if I get this one, but I'm gonna wear them with like my thistle hat, and then that one thistle shirt that I had.
You wear them with anything.
Yeah.
Them nice. You see, I wear what I wear.
Oh man, so comfortable.
They good?
So comfortable.
Nah, Put both of them on.
No, these are the perfect ones. I mean, my toe has space.
Let me see. Put your foot down.
I did. It is down.
What size is that?
This is a 7.
7? What size are them underarms?
7s.
Let me see.
Because I got the 7s. Yeah, they're 7s.
7, okay.
That was on the bottom, bro. I like those.
I need a 9.5. You want them?
Yes.
I gotta get a 9.5. What a 9.5 set? Here go the 9.5. 8.5. Those are 8.5. I need 9. I need 9.5. What a 9.5 at, y'all?
Oh, wait, 9? Wait, does this say 9? No, that seems...
Let me see. I need 9.5. I saw them, but I don't really dig them. I like these tennis joints. What y'all think about these? Look at them tennis joints. White. I need a pair of white kicks too.
I found a 9, Dad.
I told you I need a 9.5. Didn't you hear me just say 9.5 8 times?
Yeah, I know. It's just, if they run big, they might.
No, cause these New Balance I got on right now are
I keep finding so many comments.
9. I don't think it's a lot of 9.5s over there. All right, here we go. Let me try these right here.
Another 9.5.
You found a 9.5?
There's 3.
Yeah, but them ugly though. I don't want them. Pack your stuff up, man. You gonna get them?
Yeah.
All right, well, pack your stuff up.
There's also some up there.
Hey, hold the camera, Sean. I'm gonna try these on, y'all. Decent tennis joints, man. They gotta make them in 10. That don't make no sense. They gotta make them in 10. Why would they even skip a whole?
Any questions for you guys?
What's up, man? I was looking for these in a 10.
Size 10? I can take a look here. Let me double check.
I know they got the 9.5. This is the 10.5.
Got you, man. I'll look them back.
All right.
You're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
All right. Thank you, man. Try. You gonna get them? Okay. Sean found him some. I ain't get me none yet. I need white, man. Yeah, he trying to find me a pair now. Like the tennis. Yeah, the tennis. He got them?
No, unfortunately we do not. We have 0 in the back, but we do have this one in 10.
Yeah, nah, that's ugly. I don't want that one.
Gotcha, man. We can see if we can order it. That would be the only
Yeah, nah, we from New Jersey, so we just passing through.
Okay, I got you.
We just decided to stop and
It'll be free shipping to New Jersey, but you don't have to come back here to pick it up.
yeah, nah, I wanted to rock something. I wanted to rock something while I'm here. Yeah, I wanted to put something on while I'm here. Uh-huh. Thank you. Yep. Nah, that shit ugly right there. I don't want that. All right, man. We just get you something and I keep on moving. You gonna get them? What y'all think about these right here? I got enough black already. Let me see. What color is this? 9.5. Athletic. Fresh foam. Let me see. Here, Sean, hold this for me, please. No, I got these in. These would be 9.5. These would be good.
Oh, my bad.
I'm gonna sit right here. Give me this stuff. Really good. White
It
piercing.
shows we have this shoe, so give us a second to look for it.
You talking to me?
Yes. You wanted a 10 and this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, our computer shows we have it, so we're looking.
Okay.
Oh, here it is.
You got the
Got
10?
it. It was mixed in with the 5s.
Uh-oh.
Yep, here it
They
is.
might have it.
Got it.
All right. Let me
I'll
see.
put it right here for you.
All right, here. Let me. Cause I really.
Did you like that one?
Nah, I was just gonna get these just to get something, but I really need something white. So let me check these out. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all right. Thank you, Christy, for helping me. Appreciate you.
Always pay attention to the computer.
All right, y'all. They found the 10. The New Balance joint. New Balance. See, that's better. That's better right there, y'all. That's better right there. That's better.
Damn.
Go play some tennis, man. You know, I'm a tennis star. The best tennis player ever, man, in the world. The best.
Nah. You capping hard right now.
Nigga capping hard.
You
Cap.
Capping. Good, you like them? Are they not ugly?
All right, let's go. We out of here. I'm getting them. We out of here.
Gone. He likes them. There you go.
All right, come on. Let's get out of here. All right, y'all. All right. You got yours? Sean got some dope sneakers. Appreciate you, man. She found the 10 for me. Yeah. You, is there a discount on any of this?
Unfortunately, for the regular price items, unfortunately, not.
No?
Yeah, only for the clearance ones.
Okay.
Unless you have like a military ID or something. And sir, do you have an email with us, sir?
Yeah. clairvoyantself7@yahoo.com.
You don't want to spell it out for me, sir?
CLAIR
CLAIR
VOYANT SELF the number 7 at Yahoo. Sean, what happened?
Sean Gundy? Sean Gundy.
That's me.
Gotcha.
What happened?
I wanted the 7, but I didn't know that these were 7.5.
Those are 7.5?
Yeah, but they still fit me.
That's good.
I didn't know
7.5
that.
is good because this way you can grow into them.
But I didn't know that these were 7.5.
And sir, you make sure they're the right size and everything, right, sir? Before
7.5, 7.5.
7.5 is okay, right?
Yeah, because he could grow into them.
Oh yeah, for sure.
He could grow into them.
You'll be growing into them by next month.
So yeah, the total is going to be $179.74.
Okay, what was the final price on his?
The final price were $97.99.
Okay.
Those were the 30% off, right?
Yeah.
Nothing. I didn't get nothing off on these.
Unfortunately, no, man.
Alright.
Yeah, I can't.
Why I can't get nothing off?
I can't, man. It's
I
just
can't
regular,
get nothing on?
regular price, man. I'm
All
sorry.
right,
I'm
cool.
sorry, man.
All right, that's cool. You got a better box from my man than that?
Christy, do we have any extra boxes in the back?
See if it shows we have another 7.5 and I'll grab it if we do.
Even if you give her an 8 box or 9 box,
I'll just see if we have anything else that's got a lid. Do we have it?
said 7.5?
Yeah. Same size.
Christy, thank you.
You're welcome.
It says on no 0 because we just it would have said 1, but we just sold this one. She's gonna get you another box.
Yeah,
I'll
just
be
yeah.
right back.
This my receipt.
Oh yes sir, yeah.
All right.
Be right back.
All right, y'all. So man, we here. Got the dope pair of sneakers. Look at him. I don't know why he want to fight me all the time now. For some reason, he always want to fight me. We don't own the rights to this music in here, man. We don't own the rights to this music. We on our way to Sanford, Florida, to play baseball this weekend.
Orlando, Sanford.
Got the dope kicks on. Tennis joints.
Those are tennis.
She gonna get you a better box. I'm the best at tennis, man. I'm the best at tennis. All right. Stop and get us a cup of coffee on the way, huh? The who? The thumbnail. Nah, we good, man. Appreciate you, man.
Got the New Balance. And I walked on here with Blaze.
Yo, it's so goddamn hot in Florida, man. It don't make no sense how hot it be down here, man. John Blaze, man.
And some people be wearing hoodies down here, bro.
Having hoodies on, riding a bike.
Long pants, bro. I don't get it. Like, yo, bro, I'm out here wearing a cutoff sleeve shirt.
Shout out to New Balance. Slide over. What you looking in front of me for? Nigga gonna come walk right in front of me.
Do it again, too.
Check him out, y'all. All right, y'all. We see y'all later. We see y'all when we get to Orlando. Peace. Peace.